Namaste. Warm greetings to everyone at the 78th session of the World Health Assembly. Friends, the theme of the World Health Assembly this year is One World for Health. It resonates with India's vision for global health. When I address this gathering in 2023, I had spoken about One Earth, One Health. The future of a healthy world depends on inclusion, integrated vision, and collaboration. Friends, inclusion is at the core of India's health reforms. We run Ayushman Bharat, the world's largest health insurance scheme. It covers 580 million people and provides free treatment. This program was recently extended to cover all Indians above the age of 70 years. We have a network of thousands of health and wellness centers. They screen and detect diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and hypertension. Thousands of public pharmacies provide high quality medicines at far less than the market price. Friends, technology is an important catalyst to improve health outcomes. We have a digital platform to track vaccination of pregnant women and children. Millions of people have a unique digital health identity. It is helping us integrate benefits, insurance, records, and information. With telemedicine, nobody is too far from a doctor. Our free telemedicine service has enabled over 340 million consultations.